creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you every time I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below. What have I got going on for you for today? Today I am bringing to you a Dollar Tree spring DIY that is so stinking cute, I can't handle it. This DIY, again, is 100% Pinterest inspired. I really try to veer away from doing anything on Pinterest because I like the challenge of coming up with my own creations. But there are times like now and like those stinking adorable bunnies that I just made where I see these creations and I have to redo them as well because I love them so much. And this DIY today is one of them. And I will be using items that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree to make it just a bit more budget friendly. So let's not waste any more time. Let me show you how stinking cute this Easter DIY is, putting my own rustic farmhouse twist on it. For this DIY from the Dollar Tree, I picked up one of these galvanized planters, a bag of Easter grass in multicolor green, one bunch of spring flowers. I'll also be using some yarn. This is a yarn that I had on hand, so this is what I'll be using. Any yarn will do. And a couple scrap pieces of cream and pink felt. Using this yarn by Burnett that you can get at Joann's for $5 a skein, I picked this one up because I love the colors, I love the different textures in it. And so today for this DIY, I will be using the cream yarn to make 2 pom-poms, using the Clover Pom Pom Makers in the color of blue and pink, which are the larger and smaller pom-poms. If you haven't seen my tutorial on how these Clover Pom Pom Makers work, I'll link that video in the description box below. Now taking the galvanized planter that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and this green paper Easter basket filler. This had different shades of green. I loved it and knew that it would work perfect for the grass look that I was going for this DIY. One bag is all you need and it fills this pot perfectly. Now taking the larger pom-pom of the 2, I'm gonna place some hot glue on the edge of the planter and I'm gonna glue this pom-pom to the edge of the planter. With the cream and pink felt, I freehand cut out teardrop shapes. I did 2 larger teardrops with the cream felt and 6 smaller teardrops with the pink felt. These are going to be the bunny's paws, and so I'm just gonna hot glue 3 of the pink teardrops onto each cream teardrop. And this is what you should be left with. I'm gonna hot glue these part on the tin and part on the bunny to give that illusion that the bunny is leaning over the pot to dig something up. This bunny needs a tail, so I'm gonna take the small pom-pom and hot glue it to this bunny's bum. I think this bunny also needs some ears, so I cut out a couple ears using the cream felt as well, and I just freehand cut these out. No need for perfection. Nobody's gonna notice that your bunny doesn't have perfect ears while it's diving down into your pot of grass. Now using these spring flowers, I picked this bunch up from Walmart. Dollar Tree has a great selection of spring flowers as well. I was at Walmart, I saw that they were 97 cents a bunch. They had a great selection, so I picked some up for upcoming spring DIYs. I'm gonna use wire cutters and I'm gonna cut each of the stems off of the bunch. And I'm just gonna place these flowers in front of the bunny using hot glue. I didn't go with a floral foam because I didn't see the need for it. I think that these flowers are gonna stay just fine in the pot just using the hot glue. I feel like this is missing something. It just feels unfinished to me. After being at the Dollar Tree and seeing that the Dollar Tree got some of their twine carrots back in stock, I knew that this would be the perfect finishing touch to this farmhouse spring DIY. This is exactly what this needed. I love this and it is so stinking cute. Isn't this just the cutest stinking bunny you've ever seen? I had to do it. And of course, I had to put my own rustic farmhouse twist on it. I hope you all enjoyed today's Pinterest-inspired DIY using Dollar Tree items. Please give this video a thumbs up And let's get this video to 5,000 likes because those thumbs up, they really do help my channel to grow and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.